Y'all, it's Martha here, and I am here to do a BB Craft project share. I'm not really going to show you how to do it because they're really simple, you know, so there's so many videos showing you how to do it, but I can describe it a little bit. Okay, the first one I got these little brooch pins from BB Craft, and I just used some of those little ball pins and hung some charms in the little holes there. And up top I added a bow and a few beads. But now if you're going to put this, pin this to something on your journal, you may want to remove this. But it's easily removed, or you could just kind of clip it where it pushes down like that. So that's my first little project. I just looped my bow in, you know, I pulled it through its own loop and then tied a double knotted bow up there. So I kind of do like it like that on the side. I think that is really cute. And you can add any charm, any bead, whatever you wanted. You could put string or chain or whatever. Anyway, that's my first project. And then these are the things that people are showing all over, you know, the beaded pins. But I used some of the beads that I got this time and some older ones that I had, because I got these two big bubblegum beads in a previous haul. There was another one. And even used, no, not on these. But so yeah, these are some of the fall beads, and these are some of the smaller beads and the little spacer beads. So you know how to do. You take the cap off and you just find beads that fit on there and fill it up and then screw your cap back on. And then what I did as an extra precaution, I put a little bit of glue in that cap because some of them felt like they were a little loose. So that is some of the beaded pins that I made. It's my first time doing that, and I think they're really cute. And I got the pins themselves off of Amazon. I think there is also either a silver barrel or a white barrel. I don't remember offhand. I didn't do each color, but I will be doing some more. Now this next project is, I've had these for a while and I wanted to use it in my last BB Craft haul, but my beads didn't fit, so I had to order some bigger beads. And these are the envelope openers, and I think they are so pretty. Now, it's the same thing. You screw the cap off and slip your beads on there, but these posts are pretty big. I would say they're, I don't know, 2 millimeters or up. I'm not sure. But I just ordered larger hole beads. And then this bead here is from the Dollar Tree. It's a wooden bead. It already had a hole in it, big enough. And so this one and these two are from BB Craft. Now this one, these are all from BB Craft. I just stacked them up and I love these. And then this is my test one that I did for myself. These beads came from the Dollar Tree and I just added a little tassel on there. But I have found a different way to add the tassel, and I will show you. Okay. The next three I have added a tassel on to. I have one with a green tassel, and these beads are all from BB Craft, my last haul, and these little spacers as well. And then I added the tassel up here in this little indentation, and I think that's really cute. And I did that with these are all BB Craft. Well, these little beads that I spaced with this time are the little Dollar Tree beads. but the little red and white, kind of cloudy white there from BB Craft. These envelope openers are also from Amazon, just like the pins are. But in here, all of these are from BB Craft. The beads as well as the spacers, and I think they're just beautiful. And I already had the tassels, but I'll show you real quick. You could probably figure out what I did, but what I did was I would put, let me put this over here as I don't want glue on my towel. I just kind of put some Fabri-Tac around that little indentation there. And then I would put my tassel on there, twist it and slip it back over, twist it again and slip it back over, twist it again. And now I leave a little bit hanging, so I take some of that glue and just twist it so that the glue will hold it tight after it dries. And then there's not a big old loop for it to fly off so easy. And it looks like I might need to add a little extra glue. But, so there we have it. That is my beaded and tasseled envelope opener. And let me know what you think. I love these. I like these pretty good too, but I think I'm going to try to come up with a new way to do pins in the future. And this is cute too, but if I attach it to a journal, I will have to squeeze it over to the side or take this part off completely. Let me show you what it looks like completely off. And then you would probably put it through a piece of cloth or a page or something like that. I think those are fun. Alright then, those are my project shares for BB Craft this time, and I'll have one more video coming up pretty soon. So this one was simple, fun, and easy, and thanks for watching. I'll be seeing y'all again soon. Bye now.